Look how tall they are now. Like, I'm literally on my feet. Like, now. Is there like metal underneath the grass? Because I hear something. My pants are falling down.
November 10, 2017. It's 19 degrees out here right now. It's the coldest that we've had so far this year. And also the first snowfall. We had a frost last night for the first time, so that's what it's looking like now, going to its dormancy.
Look at the pretty flowers. And since nobody has bought this thingamabob, peppermint thingamabob for the past year or so, you can get it at $9.99, $99.99. And here's our Bonfire Peach. Fuzzy wuzzy. Abracadabra, wallacazam, make me disappear. So guys, this is our Bonfire Peach tree, and last year we didn't get a lot. We did see some last year, but I guess when we were gonna go harvest them the next day or maybe 1 week from then, we didn't get any because the squirrels got to them. But this year we were hoping to get some, but we didn't. And the leaves are actually like the same as when they were in the summer. Some of them are getting yellow and like yellow and weird and all crunchy and a bunch of caterpillar holes, just like these over here. But caterpillars at least have something to eat, and there's not many leaves on this tree at all, as you can see. They're mostly on the top and like a couple of leaves on the side. But other than that, no peaches and barely any leaves. This leaf is trying to stay intact, but it's like, it's getting really dark and it's getting like super old and it's at its ending stage, so it's probably gonna die soon, like maybe a couple weeks from now, and it's gonna fall. And these are all the leaves that have fallen. Most of them have blown away because we've had like really strong winds the past few days. But yeah, that's our Bonfire Peach tree.